Alrighty guys, I'm at Enterprise renting a car. I gotta rent me a car, guys. Now I reserved a Durango, but if they don't have any Durangos, I gotta get whatever. They're gonna upgrade me for free. So y'all hold tight, let's get it.
Here's the key for it. And then the gas is about 3/4.
3/4?
Yeah.
That's how you want it back?
Yeah.
Make sure everything good. Any spare tire?
It should.
Hey, what do you mean it should? What if I have a flat?
Right there.
Oh, whoa, Jeep Wagoneer got a spare tire.
You have to get underneath the car.
That's alright, that's a
get it.
sense of security. I got a freaking spare tire.
Yes. I mean, majority of all the cars that we have, they should have one. If they don't have a spare tire, they should have like an inflator kit.
Oh, no, what if I have a blowout? You're not going to inflate a blowout.
Yeah. Well, it's just some models. They don't bring the car like Kias and I think some Nissans also. So I don't know. It's
Okay.
kinda weird.
Good.
Alright, looks pretty good. And then do you want us to cover this car for $29 extra per day or you will be responsible? You have both options.
Do what?
So we can cover this car for $29 extra
Well,
per
just trying
day.
to get 60 extra more dollars out of me.
But that's for us to cover the car. Or you can also be responsible if anything happens. So
Nah, y'all do it. I don't even want to. I mean, if it's so much of a scratch, don't call me for nothing.
No, anything that happens will be on us, so you're good.
You asked me this at the last minute, like,
No, we
y'all
always
got a
we
good
always-
sales pitch. Where else on?
Just initial here and there,
Well, I swear.
and then
'Cause I think my card covered it, but I don't want no problems.
yeah.
This-
I mean, a lot of people have insurance, but I think the main thing is like if, for example, you're gonna have this for 2 days, so God forbid anything happens, your insurance company will not be notified because it stays with Enterprise now. So.
All right.
But other than that, you're good to go. Have a great weekend. Okay?
Thank you. Alrighty guys, let's start a loan video. Y'all see what I just rented? Yes, this is nice. Alright, it set me back $100 a day, guys. So, Enterprise. Look how much room that is. Boy, when I was Ubering and Lyft, I would have loved this much room. I could drive exit. Is that a TV? Oh, they got an entertainment system for the... Okay, no longer do they do the overhead DVD players. Damn, who watch DVDs anymore? But y'all know me, I'm a mechanic, right? Before I put this thing on the road, guess what? Damn it, we going in the shop and check this sucker over, all right? Yeah, I don't trust no car. I don't give a damn if it's new or not. JT finna pull the dipsticks, check the oil. Oh, wait a minute. I can't check the oil. If this is a Hurricane engine, if this is the 3-liter twin turbo Hurricane engine, no guys. You check the oil like this, all right? But this might be a 3.6. This is not the top of the line Wagoneer. It's just a regular Jeep Wagoneer. So I'm gonna pull, like I said, I'm in the shop, so I'm gonna get in one of these stalls right here and look this thing over. All right. Now, one or two things, a couple things here. I'm impressed that yes, I was informed there is in fact a spare tire. Look at that. Neat, ain't it? Yeah. Do I trust that? I don't know. Sometimes I don't be trusting these guys. But there is a spare tire. I cannot go out of town in any car without a freaking spare tire. What is a 1-800 number gonna do me if I have a blowout? What if a tire air kit, patch kit gonna do me if I have a blowout? And she actually brought that up. Y'all saw that short video. I put it on this video. All right, why are we beeping? It's cause JT, you about to hit something. Don't hit nothing, bro. This ain't your car. You just rented. I do have insurance on it. Y'all see how she talked me into that extra $29 a day for some insurance? Even though my card, I'm covered under my card, and I'm also covered under my personal insurance. But this way, guys, I get to walk away. I don't have to do no deductible. I don't have to fill out no paperwork. Just here go y'all wrecked car. I'm sorry, I ran into something. My bad. But, you know, I'm covered. So, is that really worth $30 a day, a peace of mind? So, I'm going to be out of, I only got the car for 2 days. I'm going to be out of $60 for a peace of mind. To me, it's kind of worth it. Yeah. Now, like I say, let's do this. Let's go under the hood at first before we analyze the inside situation. Because, now, when I was driving back to the shop, guys, lane assist kicked in. So, you know, you got to, it feel like you got to fight with it a little bit. But that's something I got to get used to it. But I'm still stepping on the gas now. I can't tell if it's the 3-liter Hurricane or the typical 3.6 Generation 3 engine. If it's the Generation 3 Pentastar, there is a dipstick. I'm checking oil. I'm checking everything. All right, yeah, I don't play like that. There's no sunroof, so this is not top of the line. All right, guys, let's go outside and go under the hood. Hey, she's a beauty. Hey, I'm not impressed. Oh, it's a Hemi. Holy crap. So that's 3 different options for the Jeep Wagoneer. 3.6 Pentastar V6. The V8 Hemi, as well as the inline 6 3-liter Hurricane twin turbo engine. So you get 3 different options. I didn't think about that. I forgot about the Hemi. I know I've seen a few of these Hurricane or these Wagoneers with the damn Pentastar in it. But look at that, guys. Got the e-torque system. All right. So yeah, there's some fancy stuff going on here. Y'all saw the last video I did on that. That thing was about $1,200. Alternator, not exactly, but it does. It accomplished the same goal. All right. So that's it. I'm a little impressed. Okay. I guess I'll find out once I get on the road and drive it. I can give an accurate assessment of the vehicle. Okay. Now let's go inside. Okay, what are we working with inside? All right, JT, don't scratch nothing. Alrighty, yes. All right, I don't have no kids. I do. I'm gonna go pick up my grandboys, and we're gonna ride around before we go out of town. In fact, I'm gonna do that tomorrow, so I can gain some more room back here. Look at that's all my stuff, guys. I'm a mechanic. I know I get junky sometime, but yes, this is nice. Okay, what are we looking like in the rear? Now, based off the size alone, you should look, guys. Florida freaking plates. I'm in Georgia. Why the hell do I have a? All right, JT, stop complaining. Just drive the damn thing. I got plenty of room. Now let me verify. If I was a spare tire, where would I be hiding? Underneath, maybe. Yeah, let's see. She did try to show me, but ta-da! Yes, sir. Yes, a level of confidence, a level of security now. Jack, I ain't gonna worry about all that. I don't plan on having a blowout, but just in case. Man, who still read these? Owner's manual. Yeah, they normally put these in a DVD format and have you just look at it. So if I want some more room, just simply, you know the drill. Yeah, these seats fall back, but that is nice, guys. All right, so let me do what I said I was gonna do. This is a Hemi, so there is a dipstick. If this was a 3-liter inline 6 engine twin turbo, there wouldn't be a dipstick. Now, if I had to guess, this has the 8-speed ZF transmission, so there's no dipstick for the transmission, guys. All right, I have no concern. Fluids, this is really not my job. It's just something I do for my own peace of mind. Y'all see the new technology? Yeah, master cylinder brake. Everything is new, guys. I got update courses coming along for all the new stuff coming out. Everybody's Stellantis is going out. Y'all might as well get used to it, because Stellantis ain't going nowhere no time soon, at least from my understanding. The new Freon system, it's not really hot anymore. So however, it may get warm, and they may want some AC. I know how females are. It's kind of warm in here. Can you turn the AC on? It's not free. Okay, honey, whatever you say. So let me turn this thing off, guys. Checking wiper blades. This is nice. How many miles on this thing? It's got to be a 2024, right? Damn, already? 60,000 miles, all freaking ready. Ooh, somebody done been. Now, why am I only seeing this? Can I get some just typical stuff, media stuff? Alright, guys, I can do the rest of this off camera, off film, but I'm semi-impressed. If you have a huge family, this would be nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seat 7 comfortably. And I'm sure you can put a seat right there in the middle if you had another member of your family. Alright, so I'm going to enjoy my weekend. I'm going to go pick up the grands. We're going to go do some stuff. And I'll see y'all then, guys. I might fire up some more videos. Who knows? I appreciate y'all watching these videos, man. Appreciate it. I'm out. JT the Car Guy, your boy.